Hello everyone, I am Srinivasan Rajendran. Today we are going to discuss a topic called increment and decrement operator. As in the previous lecture, we have seen that what is operator, what are the types of operator. Along with that, we have seen only one operator, that is called arithmetic operator. Under arithmetic, we categorized into binary operator and unary operator. We have seen with an example, but I already told that increment and decrement, which is also a part of arithmetic operators, but they are arithmetic unary operators. That is what the first line. Increment and decrement operators are unary operator that add or subtract one from their operand. Okay, what is unary? Only one operand will be present in the expression. Okay, that is called unary operator. Operator along with the operand, but the operand should be only one. Binary means the operand should be two. The C language has two versions of increment and decrement operators. One is an pre-increment operator, another one is an post-increment operator. Anyhow, they are going to increase the value by 1, but when it get increased, okay, when are you going to print? So that difference we are going to see. So increment and decrement, which is a part of unary operator. Again, unary operator is also a part of arithmetic. So in one liner, we can say increment and decrement operators are arithmetic unary operators. From that, we have a two version. One is an pre-increment, another one is an post-increment. The place where the operator presents. If the operator is placed before the variable, then we can say it is a pre-operator, pre-increment operator. The operator placed after the variable, we can say it is a post-increment operator. So if it is a minus, okay, then it is a pre-decrement and post-decrement. Okay, we'll see pre-increment operator, post-increment operator, pre-decrement operator and post-decrement operator. Increment means the value is going to get incremented by 1. Decrement means the value is going to get decreased by 1. Okay, so look at this example syntax. This is pre-increment, whereas the operator is placed first and then followed by variable name. Okay, so this is pre-decrement. The operator decrement operator is placed first and then followed by variable name. Post is first variable name and then followed by operator. Okay, we have given with an example plus plus count, which is pre-increment operator, plus plus a pre-increment operator. So count plus plus, okay, post increment operator. Okay, you can understand the pre-increment and post-increment. Pre means before, so the operator comes first and followed by variable name. Okay, so anyhow unary operator means one operand. The operand is what? Either a variable name or a value, constant value, that is called operand. Pre means variable, before the variable name operator is present. Post means after the variable name. Okay, so what is pre-increment? Plus plus I. The meaning is the value of I is incremented before assigning it to the variable I. Okay, the value, the first thing, it will get incremented and then the value will be assigned to the variable called I. Okay, post increment means value of I is incremented after assigning it to the variable. The meaning is whatever the value is there, that will be assigned first and then the value of the I get incremented. Both is going to incremented by 1. There is no doubt in it. But pre-increment means the value is incremented and then assign the value to the I. Post-increment means value is assigned first and then the value of I get incremented. So look at the description clearly, but I hope you have a certain confusion. I will explain it through a C program. The post decrement, the same as like a pre-increment, pre-decrement is there. Okay, so first it will decrement the value of I and then it will be assigned to the variable I. Post decrement means first it will assign the value and then it will get decremented. So this is called post increment, post decrement, and pre-increment, pre-decrement. Okay, we'll see you with an example. Okay, let us see with an example. So look at this example. What I said, a plus plus meaning is a equal a plus 1. The same, okay, a equal to a plus 1. Look at this example, int a equal 11, fine. I am assigning a value 11 to a variable a. I am a plus plus. What I said, this is post increment. What is this? Post increment. What is the meaning of post increment? First it will assign and then the value of a is get incremented. Okay, so after this line value is incremented after assigning the value. That's why already a value is 11. The value of a plus plus is 11. That is fine. Now the value, definitely the a value gets incremented. How do I check? I can use another printf statement. The value of a is now. So equal percentage d slash n comma a. Fine. Just run the code. Look at this. The 7th line, the value of a plus plus, a value is 11 because post increment value is assigned and then incremented. Definitely at the end of the 7th line the value of a get incremented. That's why the 8th line, when you try to print the value of a, it will become 12. And what about pre-increment, plus plus a? First it will get incremented and then the value will be assigned to the variable. So that's why if you, the value of a is 12 up to line number 8, when it come to the line number 9, the value will be incremented first. So the value of a is get incremented and then it will get printed. That's why 13. Okay, if you have a more confusion, just leave it. I am using another variable called b. Okay, now b equal plus plus a. Now I am assigning the value. The meaning of this line is I am assigning the value of a to b, but it will be incremented by 1. Since it is a pre-increment, what it will do? First it will increase the value and then the value will be assigned to b. Okay, now I am trying to print the value of b. Value of b is percentage d, okay, comma b. What is your guess? Pre-increment. So a value is incremented and then assigned. My b value is 12. Yes, correct. What you have guessed is correct. The same way I can manipulate the a value. So a value is also same. Since it is a pre-incremented, so I can use a slash n. Slash n means the cursor will go to the next line. So it will leave one line. That's why the value of a is, both are same. Suppose if I am giving a plus plus, this is post increment. Post increment means what is the meaning? First it will assign the value of a to a b and then the a value gets incremented. Anyhow the value of a is definitely going to get incremented after the execution of line number 6. Okay, so but first it will assign. Now you can guess the value of b and a. Value of b is 11 because first it will assign the value and then the a value get incremented. So that is what they have given here. Pre-increment means value of I is incremented before assigning. But post-increment means value of I is incremented after assigning. So this is post-increment. So value of A is assigned and then incremented. Okay, so you can manipulate the value of pre-increment and post-increment with a different example. But once the particular line is getting executed, the value will be definitely get incremented. Sir, I am giving here as a plus plus, sir. Then I will remove the line of 7. Sir, now it is pre-incremented, post-increment. Now the value of A should be 11 or 12. The value of A should be 12 only. What is the reason? After execution of line number 6, the A value gets changed. That's why what I am trying to do, in order to see the actual difference, I am trying to give, see here. First it will print and then it will get incremented. That's why when you go to the next line, the A value gets changed. Now A value is as similar, but it will be get incremented after the line is get executed. That's why when you go to the next line, printf value of A is now %d, okay, comma A. Okay, so /n, A value is 12 because once the line is executed, as I said, both pre-increment and post-increment both are going to increment the value, but when it will get incremented, that is the biggest question. Okay, I hope you would have liked this video. So the post decrement, pre-decrement is as similar to your like increment value. If you use instead of A plus plus, A minus minus and and trying to print the value, just run it. A minus minus, first A value is 11 and then it will become 10 now. It's so simple, guys, to work out with so many questions. You can come to know about this. So if you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe my channel, and you can enable the notification also. And whatever the topics I want to cover, please leave it in a comment. I will make a clear video and upload it. Thank you all.